Alright guys, just got the call from the 18-wheeler dude, shipper, whatever, and I'm going to meet him. So finally the wheels and tires are here. We're gonna go pick them up, and hopefully they're not, heaven forbid, damaged or something to where will be any issues, but fingers crossed everything's gonna be perfect. Freaking pumped. Let's go get them. There she blows. Southeastern, I think that's it. I'm so pumped. Boys, boom, there we are. So sick. 22x12, negative 44 ballistic rages, 33 1250, 22 Arturo trail blades. These look freaking amazing. So pumped. Whew. All right, let me get them all sorted out. All right, we're all ready to roll. About to go home, get these babies mounted up. One last look. Stalkers is rolling out. Oh, I'm so pumped. Let's go. Alright guys, just for the record, so we'll be able to judge how long these tires last, what kind of mileage they get. We just hit 2,000 miles. Hopefully y'all can see that. We're at 2,003 miles. So from here on out, everything, what our mileage is minus 2,000, that'll be how many miles we got on them. So we can see how long these Arturo trail blades really last, if they're worth buying and whatnot. So I'll be able to give y'all some feedback on it. So, all right guys, so we just got home. Gonna drop the wheels off. Might be able to install them today, not sure. But this is gonna be the end of this video. I know y'all are gonna hate me leaving y'all hanging. But we're gonna get them installed here soon, and it's gonna be so freaking sick. I'm so pumped. That's a fat lip. They're pretty dirty right now just from all the shipping, like dust and crap. But look at them cleaned up. My truck in general is dirty. Look at these cat prints, but holy crap, we're about to be pretty fat. So one last look at the little stalkers. It's about to be looking so right. Hopefully we don't scrub like crazy. A little worried. 22x12s, pretty wide. 33. We'll see. Come on, Chevrolet, make them square fenders wider, please. Spread out for me. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Hopefully y'all are as pumped as me. Cannot wait to get them on, and of course we'll make a bunch of videos seeing how they are and everything. So y'all definitely tune in tomorrow or the next day, hopefully. I might put these up back to back, honestly. I'm just pumped. I don't care about spreading them out really, but hopefully y'all did enjoy. I'll see y'all in the next one.